1970s or 80s flavor Winnebago. I don't know if you can see her. We are going to be cleaning it up and assessing water damage, and there is some water damage. So we'll get to that time lapse and see what we find. Okay, this has been sitting for 20 years. Found where the batteries go. A little bit of WD-40. We'll clean that up. What is what? Okay, I'm gonna see if anything is oh, I might just be stupid.
Correct!
That's doing something. What does that say? I don't know what does what. What was, oh, that's the generator. Yeah. See if it'll at least turn freely. Nothing. Okay. I don't smell anything burning. Oh, I think that's what that other battery's for. I think that other battery is for the starter. Like on a boat. What is that? I got them hooked up. Let's see what happens. Good. Good. That's a win. She moves. Let's test some more things. I don't know what that does. Oh, are those lights? Oh! Hold on. Oh, this is so dusty. Oh, gosh. Oh. What does that say? Fasten your seatbelts. Door ajar. Step down. Oil pressure. Whoa. What's that do? I don't know. What's the second one? It's the same? Okay. It's on 2 now. See any lights? No lights. No. Okay. Oh! Okay, sick. Wonder what these do here. Outdoor lights? Oh, yeah, look. What's this one? I don't know what that does. Sick. All right. Well, that's good. Well, this is great news. Look at that. I mean, that's super clean. Sweet. Okay, well, we know she turns. I disconnected the fuel pump. We're just gonna throw some down the yap. Just see what happens. I wanted to use 2-stroke, but I couldn't because I couldn't find any. 2-stroke oil, when you're starting these old engines, helps with getting the, just lubrication inside the cylinder walls because they've had a long nap. All right, I guess we'll just, there we go. Okay, show me something. That's good. I mean, she's got a gallop. The rings just need to be worked back in, but she was trying. Oh, that's got like no choke. Jeez. Okay. I mean, I don't want to mess with the choke at all. It does not sound fun. I hate doing chokes. Maybe that'll... Okay. This is a 440. Maybe it's just thirsty. Oh, it fired. I mean, I put enough fuel in it for sure now. She tried to bark off. Maybe a little bit of... Oh, come on. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. Choke came back. I wonder if I've got any accelerator pump. see one. Do I have to bottle feed you? I mean, it sounds fine. Jesus. Hell yeah. Yes! Liquid just started working. I don't know what's playing, but is there a radio? Tuning. Scan. 1, 2, 3. Eject. Oh. Okay, that's gonna need a little bit of. Oh. Oh. That's cool. Sweet. Yes, Terry, yes. Oh, damn, that was quick.
Thirsty.
Sounds healthy.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with it.
Little bit of valve train, but that'll go away. It's low on oil anyway.
The gas in the tank, the fuel pump, the fuel pump wasn't working.
No. Oh, I didn't even think to check oil pressure. Okay. It does have oil pressure. Sorry for the crappy video. But with the external pump, I got it working. But here's the old one. I'm gonna try to fix it, because that's what this channel's about. JK, I couldn't fix it. Also, sorry for using this plate, Mom. I thought up until now it was a dollar store plate, but now I'm realizing it's a little bit more rigid than that. So I am sorry for using that. But I'll clean it. Other than that though, look at what we got done today. Oh, GG. Huge difference. Remember all the moths? Pretty happy about that. Still a lot to go, but she started. She ran. Didn't hear any rod knocks. Have an accelerator pump. Carb looks clean and good. Is clean and good. We're just gonna keep going. See where it takes us. Thank you so much for watching the video, and please like and subscribe. I'm doing my best to get monetized so I can keep bringing you cool stuff.